Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to on the screenshot sound. When you do screenshot, and it will become the sound will come. So I'm gonna teach you how to on that one. So friends, before I start this video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. So friends, first of all, you have to move to the setting it here. After moving down, then you have to scroll it down. Then can you see it here, sound and vibrations? You have to press this one. After pressing this one, you have to scroll it down again. Can you see it here, additional settings in the last second one? So you have to press this one. After pressing, then you can see it here. Can you see the screenshot sound? Can you see it here, this button along with this button, screenshot sound button? So you just need to press this one. See, if you want to off also, you just need to off. If you want to on also, you just need to on. It's already on now. Screenshot sound in Redmi phone is already on now. So friends, if you like this video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.